Hello network and happy Sunday. Today is my painting day and I love to paint in my art jacket, so I'm dressed a little less formally than I normally am when I make these videos. Are you a hardworking professional with a great job, but lately you've been feeling a little off? You may love your company, the role, the job, but you dread that feeling of stress and anxiety that you have on Sunday night. Let's talk about it. The Sunday Scaries. That feeling of dread that starts to set in as the weekend ends and the work week looms ahead. Randstad Canada has put together some great insights on how you could beat the Sunday Scaries, and I'm going to summarize them for you. Step 1, make a to-do list. Before the work week even starts, sit down and make a list of everything you need to accomplish. This will help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. Even if you do this on the Friday before, ensuring you're not working on the weekend. Step 2 is to prioritize self-care. You have to be taking time for yourself on Sunday to relax and recharge. Do something you enjoy, like reading a book or going for a walk. For me, it's painting. Step 3, plan something fun to look forward to. Scheduling something fun for a Sunday evening, like dinner with friends or movie, can help you take your mind off things. This can also help you disconnect. Step 4, don't check your work email. Avoid checking your email or thinking about work-related things on a Sunday. I know, easier said than done. This will help you mentally separate yourself from the work and you will enjoy your time off. Step 5 is to practice gratitude. Take a few moments to reflect on the good, like your friends, families, hobbies. I know that even during the week, my team and I really like to celebrate our small wins, which gives us the motivation and the determination to move on to the next big challenge. That's all for me. Do you have another tip or ritual that you do to combat the Sunday Scaries? Comment down below for all of us to read.